it's me and my mom, and today we're going to soup so we can see the birds. We're gonna get a bird, a new pet. And let's hope it's not that expensive and it doesn't die. Because I had 3 turtles before and it died. I love them. We didn't have the right food and they didn't eat. So we're heading off to soup to buy a bird. It's like an orange, red, and yellow one. I saw it yesterday when we were getting it for a birthday party before yesterday. And so I fell in love with that bird. So this time, we're gonna go get the bird. Today and Friday, the family day. We'll see you there. Hey guys, it's me Khalil here. Before we continue the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get on to the video. Peace. Hello guys, so we're back. We're gonna get the birds. They're kind of flying away out of trouble. We're going to. We're gonna Snow. We're gonna name him Snow. This is a girl. Yeah. Oh, so this is a girl. We're gonna name her Snow. Yes. And this one. The boy, the big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Come on, big boy. Meet Snow, okay? Get to know each other better. So we're also gonna get the food and water so they won't die. And we're getting 2 birds so the other bird doesn't get lonely by himself. So guys, comment down below what I should name the yellow bird because I have no idea what to name it. We're getting the bird. Excited. Let's hope they don't poke us, you know? Because some try to eat us.
So are you happy now? Khalil?
Do they poke? Do they attack?
Are you happy?
You're gonna get adopted. You guys are gonna be nice. Oh, they don't have orange beaks. So this is a boy. That is a girl. No. Oh, her bird hurt.
Okay. Food. Food.
Khalil? Khalil?
Hi guys. You're gonna have a new home.
Look at me.
Oh god, I feel like you're gonna attack me at every second. Oh. So much food.
سامعني؟
Hey guys, we're with my birds. So we finally got the yellow bird a name. It's a boy and the white is a girl. This is the yellow one's Summer and the white one's Snow. And they're being best friends. Lovebirds. Look, they're dancing. There's the bird helicopter. Summer. Okay. And we're gonna go in McDonald's because there's no place to sit and I'm feeling very hot. So we'll see you inside of McDonald's. Guys. Are you happy when we were here? There. You guys like it? Oh, she did you too. Hey, don't give me that stare. Mama, we're doing a Yay, I win the staring contest. Okay, guys. Hey guys, we're back with another video, and there's two new members. Yay, there's gonna be a third member soon. So this is Summer, a boy. Really? And this is Snow, a girl. Say hi, Snow. Snow is more calm, while Summer is panicking. See, look, see what will happen if I try and put my finger. See, look at this. I'm trying to put my finger in like oh, like that. That's all the food that dropped when my mom accidentally kicked the thing. Yeah. I came back and yeah, I came back with two birds. So that's Snow and Summer. Summer is a boy, a cutie boy. And Snow is a girl. Oh, and by the way, Summer likes to bite you. I don't know that. My dad just said that. You're so calm. Harry, you're so nice and calm. And this is the room, guys. Okay, I'll show you the room. There's a random box here. These are the birds and this is the plants. We have watermelon seeds, but I don't know if they're dying. They're probably dying. And that's the printer, and this is what I use for online school. This computer, not this random computer. Hey. Welcome to new members, Summer and Snow. Purr. Say hi. Okay, geez, that's kind of rude. What about you? Yeah, same thing, okay. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. Hello guys, we're back. Before we end this video, whoever can guess the new member's name will get a shout out in the next video. Bye, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.